What's up guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make an image glow in Canva PC. So the first thing that we need to do is to have an image that we want to make it glow. So for this tutorial I choose this photo of a person. So the first thing that we need to do is to remove the background like so. Then what we want to do is to go to edits and scroll down here a little bit till we see shadows, and we're gonna apply a shadow. Then we're gonna click on glow, and as you can see, a little bit of glow appeared in the background. What we want to do now is to scroll down a little bit, and as you can see now, we can change the size of the glow, the blur amount, the color and intensity. So let's do that. First of all, let's change the color in something like red so we can see the glow better. Then we can change the size of it like so, the blur amount and the intensity. And as you can see, now our photo is glowing. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.